Hi everyone, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me show you this 2021 Hyundai Kona SLE all-wheel drive. Yes, that's right, this is a 2021 with 4,700 miles on it. I bought it from the original owner. They bought it over in Bismarck. They just didn't need it anymore. They bought it as an extra vehicle and things changed and they just didn't need it, so they sold it to me. Again, 4,700 miles, bumper to bumper warranty, clear Carfax. It's like a new car, only minus a little bit of money, and you got the initial braking done. It does the SEL, it's a little fancier one. It's got the big touchscreen, it's got lane departure, push button start, all the Bluetooth hookups you could think of, phone hookups you could need, the CarPlay, the Apple Play. Yeah, it's just really nice. It's chalk white with black and gray interior, kind of a two-tone in there. Again, nothing negative it's in its history. They just didn't need it. So we buy a ton of vehicles from a ton of people off the street. So come and see us at Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. And remember, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees.